Michael, okay so far?
Yeah.
All
I'm doing
right,
the first 5 first, then I'll check, and then I'm doing the increments of 5.
sure, sure.
God.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some clarification for
Mm-hmm.
question 4? I did get it correct. It wasn't entirely by guessing, but I need some clearing doubts in my
Yes,
head.
it is.
So, question 4 says the region, or no, the results of 2 reactions of an aqueous solution of salt.
Wonderful.
Then it says excess and AOH. Then the options that they give is either calcium or zinc as the metal. And what eliminated zinc because excess and AOH will not make a white precipitate of zinc hydroxide because zinc what excess will make it dissolve. Uh, so the only option is calcium something left,
Mm-hmm.
and I chose iodide because it's further down the halide group.
Uh, you mean you don't choose calcium chloride, but you choose calcium iodide, and you are concerned by it.
Because it's with the silver nitrate thing, so it's like what silver iodide, which is a test for halide ions,
Mm-hmm.
or
Yellow
halide.
one, correct.
Yeah.
The only thing, I mean, in O level, the only thing that gives you yellow stuff are iodide stuff, which is, I mean, when I see yellow, yeah, iodide. I don't do much thinking because in O level, it is like that. What you're thinking is the O level way of thinking, lah. True. I mean, you even suspected the silver iodide, which is I mean, it is on point. There isn't much yellow in O level. Same thing as there isn't much blue in O level except Cu2 plus stuff. Easy peasy.
So if it was instead of a yellow, it's cream, would that be calcium chloride?
Cream, sorry, cream,
Yeah.
creamy yellow. I would take it as creamy white, yeah, as in
Yeah.
more whitish lah, so not yellow. Then iodide is out. Put it more simply, iodide is immediately out. Then we just think about other things. Oh yeah, maybe calcium chloride does happen because the first white precipitate will be CaOH, right? Which is white. And then the second precipitate is AgCl. Oh yeah, it's kind of white. Yeah. Okay. So it works.
Uh,
Yeah. 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 Agreed. Aryan, okay.
Yes.
Wonderful.
God, what is question 6 talking about?
Question 6. You have red line, yeah? Okay. Goodness me. Now, I'll just say that this is more physics than chem, but in your level, looks like this is learned in chem instead. Okay, let me just. If you see this in exam, just ignore this one. Just ignore. No time to explain. It is actually not complicated though. It is not complicated at all, but we need time to understand it a little. So do you want to understand it now or, well, after exam?
What's the dumbed down version of it?
Before this experiment, actually, people don't know or unsure or don't have proof that the atom is what we know. What we know of atom right now is in O level is, the center nucleus and the orbiting electron, right? We kind of know this since they teach us from long time ago. But this Rutherford gold foil back then, the theory was not like that. It wasn't. So let me put this in perspective. They don't know or don't have proof or only have theory that an atom is mostly vacuum. Right now, the model that we have of an atom is it is mostly empty. Why? Because the center, the nucleus, is very small. And the electron is also very small. It's mostly empty space, which is like the universe. Like the universe, I mean the earth, the sun, is mostly empty space, correct? The center is the sun. The sun is very big. Yeah, but the space is even bigger. The earth is big. Yeah, but compared to the space, it's nothing. That kind of thing. So the electron and the nucleus are very small. Therefore, atoms are largely empty. That's the model that we have right now, even though we don't think about it like that. But it is like,
Okay.
So therefore, the last sentence, most flew straight to the foil. What most alpha particle? Who cares what's alpha particle? The point is when you shoot them through gold atom, how come most penetrates without any problem? How come? This is only possible if atoms are mostly empty spaces. No? Thus, all the answer A, B, C, D are all large empty spaces between
the nucleus.
Either the nucleus or the electron or whatever. The point is a large empty space. And again, back then, people don't necessarily think like that. Don't necessarily.
Yeah.
Right? That's the context for this experiment. Now, do you want the answer or do you want what? What do you want?
I guess the answer.
Right. So sorry, right? Because right now we don't have much time to talk about it properly. So I apologize. Now, a tiny fraction of the alpha. The alpha is positive. That's the first thing that you have to know. I don't even know that you know. I'm a bit concerned. However, they did say alpha particle consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So it is positive, though. There is no negative charge to balance it. Okay?
Yeah.
So whatever guy is deflecting the alpha, keeping it very simple, is also a positive. Right? So this is mostly detecting the nucleus, not the electron. Because if alpha positive hitting electron, you won't see the deflection. First thing first, electron is very tiny in mass compared to the alpha particle. So the alpha particle won't be deflected by electron. Secondly, the electron is negative. So again, it will also not be deflected. So this experiment does not confirm the tininess of electron. Cannot. This experiment confirms the tininess of the nucleus and the fact that the nucleus is positive low. So B and D is out because the nucleus cannot be negative, considering the deflection. Okay. A and C is small positively charged nucleus. All right. Right. But not the electron. So C also gone. C is also gone. The electron where? Well, not this experiment. The proving of electron as tiny is another experiment. Right. So we don't care about. Okay. So the answer will be
D.
How is it D? The electron this experiment cannot prove a negatively charged electron. The alpha particle, which is positive, is deflected. So it is deflected by another positively charged guy, which is confirmed not electron.
Right. Because the
So
electrons are
negative,
smaller.
way smaller, and also negative. So they won't be deflecting. They will be attracting or just don't care because too tiny.
Okay.
So cannot detect electron.
So it's the nucleus that's negatively charged, which
Nonsense. If the nucleus is
oh
negatively
no,
charged,
not negatively. Oh well,
positively,
positively, yeah.
because the deflection to account for the deflection. Because if it is negatively charged, it will actually be
It'll go
attracted.
through.
No, something else will probably happen, but it won't be deflected by a large angle. It won't be like. Okay.
Okay.
Arguably, this is mostly physics. Arguably, it's just that the content is relevant to chemistry, so that's why they probably talk about this. Right. Again, don't think about this too much. If you understand that it is A, then good for you, lah. Aryan, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm doing the rushing out of respect for the other question, Michael. Not that this question is not important. That's not it. But if it is new, then we need more time, right? So maybe next time, lah. Aryan, Michael, okay.
Sure.
Mhm.
God,
Yes.
I got question 9
Yes,
wrong.
please. Which one?
Question 9, I got it wrong.
Question. Right. Oh, this is this kills people usually. Okay. Right. I'll go to the explanation. Okay. So
Okay.
if this makes sense, Michael, you have never seen this cube before, I think, never. This not this kind of thing, correct or not?
Supposedly not.
But what you can gather out of this cube is that like this. The negative ion and the positive ion ratio is 1-to-1.
Yeah.
So if you can trust that ratio, I'm not saying that you can fully 100%, but that's the only thing you have, knowing nothing else, right? So if it's 1-to-1 ratio, then obviously, one of them cannot. Obviously, right? It's obvious if you see as a 1-to-1 ratio that that guy definitely is wrong. You don't get it, Michael.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right? It's 2-to-1, ma. This 2-to-1. You cannot look
No,
simple.
I didn't read cannot.
Hey, you nonsense.
Wait, then why A cannot?
Because CuSO4 also still 1-1. Wow. It's Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Don't look at the 4 lah.
SO4 counts as 1, right?
Yeah, it's a big unit, but it counts as 1. No?
It's an ion of SO4, but SO4 is a covalent compound by itself.
Correct. Still count as one gigantic ion. Putting it that way.
Okay, so
One
that's
there.
why Na2S can, okay.
Correct. I mean, to be fair, Cu2 plus is also rather gigantic. So, giant with giant. Fine. But you guys don't discuss that too much. So, whatever. The point is, ABC obviously is 1-1. Obviously.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello.
Yes, Aryan.
Can I leave?
No problem, Aryan. You feel okay?
Yeah.
Sure thing, Aryan. Have a good rest after tomorrow, yeah? Be at
Yeah.
peace, and I'll see you holiday, lah. Maybe starting on Wednesday, lah, so that you have a reasonable break, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
right? Very good, Aryan. Okay, I'll see you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm just doing the last 5
Sure
and
thing,
I'm
sure
just
thing.
gonna head out.
Until you're at peace, then feel
With
free.
Chem, I cannot be at peace. I'm never at peace with Chem.
Even that phrase is new to me coming from you. Right? It's like you are like a better person, I guess. I guess. Not a better chemistry student, but a better person. Not bad, I guess. I guess. No, I met another Michael in my condo
Oh,
today.
why?
Right. Because that Michael is swimming is willing to play with my baby kid. So I met
Oh,
him. Right. Hmm.
one mole of assembled hydrated immune sulfide contains 162. Yeah, throughout this entire thing, I got one wrong and did not know how to do one.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I even should be confident for tomorrow.
You should not. That's not. Yeah, I can explain to you guys, ma. Confidence depends on the past performance, not doesn't have anything to do with your future performance, which is like tomorrow.
Yeah,
Your future performance depends on your preparation,
yeah.
not the confidence coming from the past performance. So, can you accept that you are not confident going in tomorrow because your past performance was never good for your standard lah? That's just the reason of your non-confidence.
Uh,
Not so much on the quality of your preparation. Not so much. One more time, confidence is only earned after good performance, not after good preparation.
okay.
Of course, bad preparation makes it worse lah. Yeah, but again, that's beside the point. Don't don't demand confidence out of yourself. You don't need to. Confidence is I don't know how to explain it, but no need lah. No need. No need. It's okay. It's okay. If you don't feel confident tomorrow, it's okay. Don't hype yourself like this. Don't. Right? You're correct. You're correct 80% today. Good for you lah. This doesn't count as performance. This is preparation. So good preparation lah. Good for you lah. Doesn't mean that you should be confident or should be not confident. You're thinking about the wrong things.
Okay.
Tomorrow, think about camp, not confidence. I mean, frankly speaking.
Okay.
Okay. And I think you can still probably think tomorrow, which is good.
Hopefully.
Mhm. If you stop, I'm not asking you to sleep, and just stop. Right? It's okay. Stop. Right? You'll be fine.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Good job, Michael. I think we'll start on Wednesday next week. So I think about on time lah with your private plan. Okay,
Okay.
100%. Right. Whatever, I'll just update you later. And really, good job for this whole month. I will see you.
All right. I'll see you. Soon.
Bye.